Welcome back. We're going to be talking about our homepage and site optimization. So this is where we're going to be talking about our all-in-one SEO pack. This is where we're going to be setting it up. This is where all the magic will be happening. So I will show you the secret on what I have done here. Okay. So with this, you'll be able to outrank your local competitors. Okay. So let's go back to here. Let me show you. This is all in one SEO general SEO pack. Okay? Click on it. So when you click on it, it will come up here. Okay. Do not do anything here. Allow it the way it has ticked up all your stuff here. Okay. So this is your home title. I run a WordPress training courses across UK. Okay, so you can see here my local. This I run it locally and across UK. So I said WordPress training courses UK Aberdeen. Okay, I put Edinburgh London. So this is my home title, homepage title or SEO title. Remember, we have discussed about all these things. So this is my SEO title. I have put this in such a way it is not more than it's not more than 57 characters, which I've told you before. Make sure it's within 57 characters. If it is, it's not gonna harm you, but if you write more than that, it will cut it off. So no matter what you put there, it will show and it will not be professional, that your home title, your SEO title doesn't come up well. This is WordPress training courses. You see, home description. This is my page. This is my home title of SEO. WordPress training courses UK Aberdeen. I have repeated the home for the description. I have repeated the description here as my title here. And then I said, learn and be WordPress this. Okay. I name my company here. Okay. And I will show you here. We offer online we offer training UK, Glasgow, Edinburgh, Birmingham, London. So when people search for this, all these names I have put here, when they search for it, automatically they will all appear here. Okay, you could see my home title, and I have repeated it here, and I have made sentence here as well. Remember, for description is 320. 320 will come up here for description. Okay, so make sure that it's not more than that, because if it's more than 320, it won't come up. Remember, let me show you. I've showed you how it appears or how it comes up. Okay, when you on Google search. Okay, let's search here again. Okay, let me see WordPress training. Okay, WordPress training Aberdeen. Okay, that's my local this thing. Okay, let me see. This is me here. As you can see, this is me here. I'm always on first page of Google. Okay, so this is the title. Okay, so it's gonna cross it and put you as Astro Project Solution as the name of your company. Okay, so it will come up here first, your domain, then that you have searched will come up here, and this is that thing we have put here. Okay, it could come up so many ways because I have created pages on this. So I will show you what I mean for all these things as we proceed. Okay, so make sure that your home or SEO title you have put here, repeat it here, put your location where you are, put it here. This makes it when you install yours new, this thing will not appear here. It was disabled. Here, this was disabled. Okay, so when you come straight down here, when you come here, use keywords. I have what? Enabled it. If I disable it, this will not come up. Okay, so but nowadays this do not matter because this has covered you. Okay, but this is just for formality sake now. Before, this is very, very important, but as technology improves, things become easier for people. So because I have enabled it, that is why it has come up. So when you install yours new, this and this you will see. So what you need to do, you scroll down and enable it. When you enable it, you go up again and this will come up. Then when you finish, you set update options. So this is the way to set or write your SEO title and SEO description. You do not touch any other thing here. You leave it as it is. Okay, so on that general settings, okay, on all-in-one SEO pack plugin, you will see this one. You activate this, all these ones will not be activated. It will come up with a 3. Just click on them, activate. Okay, activate all of them. They will come up. This is SML sitemap, the one I was telling you before. So you activate all this, you will see it. You will see it there. Okay, but let me see if I can see it here and show you. Let me see. Just a minute. Because I have done it before, I have activated it, so it's not gonna, that one is not showing here. Okay, let me see. SM sitemap. Okay, that's okay. It's not showing here. So when you activate it, when you activate them, that's where you'll be able to see all these things. Okay, so but it's very simple. So this is what you need to do for the general settings of your all-in-one SEO. You got to make it look professional in order for you to get what you want. Now I have finished configuring or doing the general settings of my all-in SEO. You could see it's very simple and easy. So what do you need to do? Remember, I have got my keywords. So what I need to do here now is I will go to my page and create and open a page I will call hairdressing salon London, or hairdressing based on your keywords. Okay, based on the keywords you have chosen, open a page for all. Then you write the title of that page. Why do you do that? So that Google will index it and you will also optimize it the same way applicable to this. Let me show you also one example of what I'm saying. Okay, let me show you one example of what I'm saying. You could see here, I have created a page called Aberdeen WordPress Training Courses. Okay, and I have what? Optimize it. Do you see what I mean? This is the title page. I've created a page and I have come down, title, I have put that title here and also wrote things here. So when you search WordPress training courses Aberdeen, it will show up. Do you understand the logic? So this is the trick. So open pages 5, 6 based on your keywords so that Google will index it. Google cannot index something if you have not created a page for it. When you create a page, Google will index it, and this is what it is all about. It is simple as ABCD. So create as many pages based on your keywords research, okay? And you come down here, you optimize it, okay? When you finish, you update. So this is the secret behind being on first page of Google, okay? This is one of the secrets. Remember, on your permalink, make sure that this is what that is here, okay? You can see it here. You edit about the WordPress training courses. Make sure it is what is here. You also save it or by okaying it and then update. Hope you got what I mean. Thank you. I will see you on the next class.